Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by collecting identity and context that insurers use to find records. Have your photo ID and the last four of your social security number ready. These speed verification. Next, scan bank and credit card statements for premium payments and emails for insurer names. Make a quick list of asset details like VIN or property address and any agent names. Once done, call or log into portals faster and reduce hold time, because you already have every verifying detail on hand. You now run targeted searches and make the vital calls. First, try insurer websites. Use email or phone recovery to regain account access and check statements for a policy number. If that fails, call the agent on your list and your employer HR if it was group coverage, because they often retain policy ID. Also contact mortgage or loan servicers who require insurance for collateral. Finally, check your state insurance department or paid premium records. They can sometimes match your name to a carrier and form. You finish by confirming identity and obtaining written proof of the number. When you reach the carrier, request a declaration page or email confirmation and verify effective dates and premium amounts so you know it's the right policy. Make sure to provide the specific documents they request to speed release. If you hit resistance, escalate to a supervisor and document the interaction. As a troubleshooting tip, if records are missing, file a written complaint with your state insurance regulator and request a formal records search to force retrieval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.